Let's head on into the kitchen, shall we? First, you'll need to pop about half a cup of popcorn kernels. This should give you around 12 cups of popped popcorn. Next, we're going to make the caramel sauce. Melt a stick of unsalted butter in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Stir in a cup of packed light brown sugar, a quarter cup of light corn syrup, and half a teaspoon of salt. Bring this sweet and buttery mixture to a gentle boil, stirring constantly. Once it reaches a boil, let it cook for 4 to 5 minutes without stirring. Remove the saucepan from the heat and stir in half a teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Watch as the mixture bubbles up like a delicious caramel volcano. Pour this hot caramel sauce over your popcorn. Toss it gently to make sure each piece gets a nice, even coating. While the caramel sauce is still warm, sprinkle about 2 cups of mini marshmallows over the popcorn. Toss it again and watch as the heat from the popcorn and caramel slightly melts the marshmallows into a gooey, sticky delight. Spread your marshmallow caramel popcorn on a large sheet of parchment paper or a silicone baking mat to cool. Break apart any large clusters as it cools. Once it's cooled, it's time to dive in. Best served immediately, this popcorn is a perfect blend of sweet, salty, and sticky that's sure to satisfy any sweet tooth. If you have leftovers, store them in an airtight container. The texture might change a bit, but it will still be a delicious treat. Remember, keep a close eye on the caramel as it cooks to prevent it from burning. And while this popcorn is delicious anytime, it's especially gooey and delightful on the day it's made. Stay tuned for more delightful recipes. Remember to like and subscribe for more culinary adventures.